Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share the full guide how to post a new job on LinkedIn page from like business page. So I have already posted one job on my LinkedIn page for free. So what we need to do if you have already posted one job, so before posting any other job, you need to close that job. So you can see it right here. I'm going to close my previous job that I have posted on my LinkedIn page. So you can see it here, sales specialist. I will be closing it right now. You can see it right here. I'm closing it and then I'm going back there again and then I will be again posting a new job there. See, so yeah, after closing that job, what we need to do, we can go for post a free job. So make sure to close any job if you are running any free job. So after closing it, you can go here. I want to hire a social media marketing specialist. This is right here, and it should be like part time. I'm not looking for somebody who can work full time basis, so it should be part time. Done now. And when it comes to description, like without writing something on description, you won't be able to take this post forward. So you need to write on description. It's suggested to write a clear description based on your requirements. So you can either generate it by AI or you can write it manually. So make sure to cut these two like things you are responsible for your post. Review to ensure. Make sure to cut one this and then in the bottom part of it. So it's done now. Click here, save it, then go to question part. And I want to look for experience. Firstly, I want to edit it, not marketing. It should be like social media marketing. Okay. We can also add for marketing because social media is also part of marketing, but I won't make it compulsory. Must have qualities. If somebody has not like it's not at all experience in marketing experience, so it would be fine. So let's go for other. It should be urgent. It is a must kind of question, and then it should be hybrid basis. This is also must kind of question, and also I want to ask for skills questions. So how many years of experience do you have in Instagram numeric? Let's go for this expertise with skill question. Skill is Instagram. Minimum should be 3. Must. Then LinkedIn is a mandatory question. Expertise with skill. LinkedIn. This is also a mandatory question. 3. Then I would say next would be our YouTube. YouTube. This will also 2, not 3. Okay, 2, and last but not the least, it would be our okay. Let's let's keep it this way. Save. I'm saving it, and then I am taking it forward. Now you need to click on post job. So there would be two options. Whether you want to promote your post, you can see it right here. Firstly, try to understand monthly applicants, estimated monthly applicants. So 4 and promoted 41, 3 times qualified applicants. It would be like 4 times you can post your job on LinkedIn for free. And when it comes to you are promoting your post, then you can post it multiple times up to 41. And 3 times qualified applicants you will be getting, and no applicants limits. In free there is a limit of applicants, but in promoted there is no applicant limit. Then top job placement, there is no such provision in free, but it is for it is right here on promoted thing. So I would like to do it for like post without promoting because I don't want to spend money on doing this work. So it's done now. Okay, it's done now. Okay, so if now if I want to promote it, I can go for this option. So yeah, it's done now. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any particular topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic.